Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for dictation. Start. In that case, a foreign national was subjected to trial for causing a bomb blast in a public transport vehicle stop. The trial court convicted the accused and imposed the death sentence stop. On appeal, the High Court dismissed the appeal, confirming the sentence stop. Para. However, the two-judge bench of this court observed that the trial was vitiated stop, while one of the learned judges ordered the accused person's release, the other ordered for a time-bound retrial stop. A larger bench confirmed the second view, directing a retrial, however, observing that the power must be exercised by the appellate court in exceptional situations. Stop. It was also observed that, keeping in view the gravity of the offence and the denial of due process, a retrial was warranted. Stop. Para. The appellate court, hearing a criminal appeal from a judgment of conviction, has power to order the retrial of the accused under section 386 of the code. Stop. That is clear from the bare language of section 386 bracket b. Stop. Though such power exists, it should not be exercised in a routine manner. Stop. A de novo trial or retrial of the accused should be ordered by the appellate court in exceptional and rare cases, and only when, in the opinion of the appellate court, such course becomes indispensable to avert failure of justice. Stop. Surely this power cannot be used to allow the prosecution to improve upon its case or fill up the lacuna. Stop. Para. A retrial is not the second trial. It is continuation of the same trial and same prosecution. Stop. The guiding factor for retrial must always be demand of justice. Stop. Obviously, the exercise of power of retrial under section 386 bracket b of the code will depend on the facts and circumstances of each case, for which no straitjacket formula can be formulated, but the appeal court must closely keep in view that, while protecting the right of an accused to fair trial and due process, the people who seek protection of law do not lose hope in legal system, and the interests of the society are not altogether overlooked. Stop. Para. In Narsingh versus State of Haryana, this court was considering the question whether the appellate court can direct a retrial if all the relevant questions are not put to the accused by the trial court as required under section 313. Stop. This court answered the question in the affirmative, holding that the appellate court may direct a retrial in such circumstances from the stage of questioning the accused, because non-compliance of section 313 had caused prejudice to the accused. Stop. Para. If the appellate court is of the opinion that non-compliance with the provisions of section 313 has occasioned or is likely to have occasioned prejudice to the accused, the appellate court may direct retrial from the stage of recording the statements of the accused from the point where the irregularity occurred, that is, from the stage of questioning the accused under section 313, and the trial judge may be directed to examine the accused afresh and defense witness if any and dispose of the matter afresh. Stop.